Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer tickets on TickPick. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing what we need to do is head on over to tickpick.com and sign into your account. Now, once we're signed into your account, go ahead and click onto your user profile, and this is going to take you to your account inside of TickPick. From here, we've got quick actions. So from here, we want to go ahead and click on the order and find the event you want to transfer tickets from and click into it. Now choose the tickets to transfer. So if your tickets are eligible to transfer, you'll see a transfer or send ticket button. Select which tickets you want to send. Then from there, we need to enter the recipient's information. So enter the recipient's name and email address. Now make sure it matches the email link to their account or the one they'll use to claim the tickets. Then from there, simply confirm the transfer. So review the details and tap send transfer. The recipient will receive an email with instructions to accept the tickets. Now there are some important notes for this. So not all tickets can be transferred directly within TickPick. So many tickets are distributed through the venue's official ticketing platform. So this can be Ticketmaster, AXS, or SeatGeek. In that case, TickPick will provide a link or instructions for accepting and transferring through that platform instead. Once you transfer, you usually cannot cancel it. So keep that in mind. And also make sure the recipient details are 100% correct. Any mistakes, it could be too bad. Now also some venues lock transfers until closer to the event date, so you may need to wait until the tickets are released.